Have you ever been completely paralyzed by the sight of a spider, or felt your chest tighten, looking down from a high balcony, even though nothing bad has ever actually happened to you? What if I told you that your worst fear isn't even yours? What if you are actually feeling the exact terror your great-grandfather felt 100 years ago? For the longest time, science told us that our DNA was just a fixed blueprint. It determined your eye color, your height, and that was pretty much it. Experiences, memories, and fears, those were supposed to be yours alone, learned over your own lifetime. But a groundbreaking field called epigenetics is completely rewriting that rulebook. Epigenetics basically means on top of genetics. It turns out intense trauma or extreme fear can actually leave a chemical mark on your genes. This doesn't change your fundamental genetic code itself, but it changes how your genes are expressed. And the crazy part, these chemical tags can be passed down to your kids and even your grandkids. Scientists actually proved this in a mind-blowing study with mice. Researchers exposed mice to the smell of cherry blossoms and right after gave them a mild foot shock. Pretty soon, the mice were terrified just by the smell of cherry blossoms alone. But here is where it gets insane. Those mice eventually had babies. The babies were never shocked, and they were never exposed to that smell. Yet, the very first time those baby mice smelled cherry blossoms, they completely panicked. Their brains were hardwired from birth to fear it. And the generation after that, they had the exact same reaction. The fear was literally inherited. So, think about human history. If your ancestors survived a brutal snake attack, a devastating famine, or nearly fell off a massive cliff, that intense survival instinct might have tagged their DNA. That irrational fear of snakes, heights, or even enclosed spaces that you have right now, it could just be your DNA trying to keep you alive based on a centuries-old warning. Your ancestors left you a biological cheat sheet for survival. So the next time you freak out over a tiny bug, just blame your great-great-grandmother. What is your weirdest phobia? Drop it in the comments down below, hit that like button, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. See you in the next one.